Hello, my Cosmic Healing Tribe. Welcome to the Astrology and Tarot Report for January 10th, 2021. So, today we have the Moon in Sagittarius. The Moon in Sagittarius brings us to our high mind, our philosophies, our laws, the things that govern us, but really the fire and air of who we are, how we're thinking, and how that connects to our actions, and how those actions connect us to long-term growth or not. The moon is going to be going void at 1:30 and will be void until tomorrow morning. And actually, I think this is a great thing because we have a lot of tension today. The planet that is kicking up hard is Neptune. Neptune is in tension with the moon and in Mercury. But at the same time, we have this deep preparation happening for the new moon that's on Wednesday, which is this whole doozy as itself. So today, I really want you guys to allow yourself to go, allow yourself to really tune into where you want to go, how you're thinking, how the divine is speaking in you so that you can prepare for this new moon and the new moon in Capricorn that is conjunct Pluto. Today, I really want you guys to let yourself reconsider how you are showing up for yourself in your relationships and what you need to do so that you can go to where you want to go. There is a thin line, especially with this Neptune energy, about that victim narrative, about I can't believe this happened to me, which is true, right? Like some gully stuff has gone down. But really, as we are standing at this precipice of manifesting our new selves, the energy of today is saying, but where do you want to go? How are you going to transmute this energy? How are you going to turn this communication or this awareness into new action? How are you going to shoot your arrow long? The card that we get today is the Six of Pentacles. There's a lot of deep reconsideration of contracts and agreements that are happening right now. So allow yourself to go through that process. Do not rush. Make sure that you're taking a position of authority in your agreements. Yes, when the Six of Pentacles comes up, it says that there is an exchange, right? All energy requires exchange. All advancements require sacrifices. And that is just the name of the game, especially if you are going to become a cosmic gangster. I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow.